object. These ways are related to each other in our daily life. For example, when traveling from one place to another, we often think how far it is, how much time will it take, or how fast are we going. Let's understand this interesting relationship. Can you tell me D stands for what? S stands for what? Speed. T stands for what? Time. Myself Shivam. Myself Meghnad. Welcome to Maths Exhibition. Our topic is patterns and symmetry. Patterns and symmetry makes an object beautiful and balanced.
ठीक है ये कलर का है
ये patterns
सेम है
You will know what is pattern and symmetry. Like your breast, it is also a symmetry pattern. And like this one is symmetry. Window is also symmetry. I will show you what is pattern. This is pattern. Pattern is repeating same things over and over again is called pattern.
Okay, which number is this? Himansh, show us. Which 3. Now let's make pair. चलो pair करते हैं. No color. Pair with the color, right color. Very good. Nine or 90? Check properly. 9 rupees. So which one is expensive? 60 rupees. ये expensive है या ये expensive है? And what is the price of this popcorn? 10. So which one is cheaper? ये सस्ता है. कम पैसे में कौन सा मिल गया? 10. बोलो बच्चे, this is only for 10 rupees. ये तो 100 में आ रहा है. This one is expensive.
Good morning, sir. This is the mathematical board game. एक बार आपकी टर्न होगी, एक बार हमारी. 3 और yellow card. 14 plus 16. Answer is 30. Sir, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 7 multiplied by 2. 40. Good morning, dear parents. Welcome to Math Exhibition at MSc School. We have made a model of fraction. A fraction represents a part of whole. It is written with two numbers, numerator at top and denominator at bottom. For example, 1 by 2. 1 is numerator and 1 by 2. 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. We have made a rotating wheel. We will spin the wheel and explain each type. This is a whole. When we divide it into two parts, we get 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. When we divide it whole into three parts, we get 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now we will spin the wheel. The wheel stops at proper fraction. Now Karthik will explain. A proper fraction has a numerator smaller than the This is a big 24 clock model. ये यूज होती है एयरपोर्ट एक्सेट्रा एंड रेलवे स्टेशन. 60 seconds in a 1 minute. 12 hour clock में 24 hour clock में ये डिफरेंस होता है कि 12 hour clock में AM और PM होता है, 24 hour clock में नहीं होता है. और हमारा मॉर्निंग टाइम मॉर्निंग टाइम 7 o'clock है. This is a बड़ा अमेजिंग कप है 1 लीटर का. 1 लीटर 1000 लीटर. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Maths Exhibition. We also think that maths is only about solving sums, but in real life we use it every day. Why like shopping, cooking, and traveling. Many students have math phobia, but at my sweet home school, we learn how maths work and around us. This is my house and I travel with my car. The speed of my car is 1 kilometer per hour and it take me 1 hour to reach hospital. So the total distance I travel 2 kilometers.
Plus 21 plus 53 minus 74 plus 45 plus 52. Answer.
97.
Alright. And this is the only reason our purpose of to organizing this exhibition is जिन बच्चों को पेरेंट्स को मैथ्स के नाम से क्या होता है ना, मैथ्स इज अ डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट बिकॉज आई थिंक दिस इज माय पर्सपेक्टिव मैथ्स को उनको दिखाया नहीं जाता, उनको बताया जाता है एज आई हैव शोन यू हैवी लाइफ, दिस इज जस्ट एन एग्जांपल. सो यहाँ पे भी बच्चे जो है मैथ्स यूज करते हैं, इवन वेदर यू आर लिटरेट और इलिटरेट मैथ्स को सब यूज करते हैं. Very good, well done.
These are not space.
Now we don't have space. So,
We use 10 two-digit number. Thank you.
very good. See, basically the purpose of these two beakers are ones में 9 तक के ही space है. बच्चे 10 भी लिख देते हैं ones में. So to show this, 9 के बाद हमारे पास space ही नहीं है. So forcefully they will use 10 space. Now what are you representing? What is the name of your topic?
Measurement.
Basic measurement actually, right? So what are you going to show? आप क्या बता रहे हैं, बताइए. What is this?
This is light, this is heavy.
Okay, this is light and this is heavy. Now wait a minute. Put it down. Put it down. All right. Now hold this. Autumn. Again what comes? फिर से क्या आता है? फिर से विंटर ही आ जाता है. It is not like that कि autumn के बाद summer आ जाए. Definitely not. So this is called pattern. What is pattern? Pattern is repetition of something. कुछ भी अगर repeat हो रहा है, that is pattern. And this we have got from nature.
आज का जो मैथमेटिक्स एग्जीबिशन है बहुत ही अच्छा रहा और बच्चों ने अपने मॉडल्स के लिए क्लियरली सभी को एक्सप्लेन किया and all staff is very good.
Hi, my name is Shikha Saroha. I am the mother of Charvi Saroha. She is in 4th class and her topic is LCM. Today I am very happy as well as very excited or impressed to see that how each and every student has presented their given topic very beautifully and confidently. I think this type of exhibition will definitely help to build confidence in them, remove stage fears and also teach them the importance of teamwork. Thank you.
Hey, hi everyone. So my name is Rajan and I am father of Charvi Saroha. So I'm here for the exhibition which school has held for maths. So for me it was a very proud moment when my kid was able to understand the concept practically, because during our days maths was one of the boring subject which is very difficult to correlate in a real life. But the way school and school team, teachers and everyone has made this confidence in kid and made it practical, correlated it to the life. Good work, and I would say keep it up school team, and thank you for bringing this confidence into the kids so that they are able to demonstrate it live in front of parents like this.
सब मेरा एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा रहा विद टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो. इनके जो कंसेप्ट हैं काफ़ी अमेजिंग है जिससे कि बच्चे सीख पाए हमारे.
Thank you, M2S team. It was a great efforts, and we think that this is the best learning to our children.
मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है कि मेरा बेटा कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें सीख रहा है इस स्कूल में और डे टू डे ग्रोथ करता है. उसको इतनी चीज़ें आती हैं जितनी कि मतलब मुझे नहीं आती हैं, और मैं इसलिए भी हैप्पी हूँ क्योंकि इस स्कूल में एबकस है. एबकस से वो चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा ईजी हो जाती है उसके लिए.
बच्चों को आगे की फर्दर स्टडीज के लिए बहुत हेल्प मिलेंगे.
इट वॉज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस टू बी है. मैथ्स के जितने भी हार्ड कंसेप्ट थे उनको बच्चों को एक्टिविटीज़ के थ्रू इतने इजी वे में कराया गया, समझाया गया कि बच्चे समझ गए और उसको इजीली एक्सप्लेन कर पाए.
बहुत अच्छा लगा समझने में, एंड मुझे मैथ इतना समझ में नहीं आता पर यहाँ समझाया गया जिस तरीके से मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड मुझे आगे मुझे सीख मिलेगा, मुझे पता चलेगा कि बच्चों को क्या समझा रहा है.
सिखाने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा है और बच्चे सीख भी बहुत बढ़िया रहे हैं.